Welcome everybody. We are going to be doing one last recipe for tonight, and it's going to be all about the bird, the turkey. And I think a lot of people feel really intimidated by it, but it's actually a lot simpler than you think it is. The first thing, of course, is separating the dark meat from the white meat. So tonight we're only going to focus on the breasts. So if you have a small family of say 2 or 3, this is actually a really easy recipe, and you would do the same thing as if you were doing the turkey legs. So let's get started. Picking off our herbs. We want this to be nice and fine. This is super important. Beautiful. No herb wasted. So we're just gonna zest. We're gonna make sure all of the yellow part and none of the white part of our lemon is in this recipe. All right, now we have our garlic, same thing. Butter, and just grate it. And this is a cheat if your butter is not room temperature already. Everything goes in to our bowl. So next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to season our compound butter. So some salt and some pepper. So when this melts into our actual turkey, it's going to flavor our turkey from the inside out. Just kind of massage it in. Just like that. And this is our compound butter. Now you can freeze this and use it anytime you want, or we're going to use this for all of our turkey. So next part is we have our turkey. This has been thawed out, pat dry, and what we're going to do, we're going to get underneath this little skin. So go with our finger, kind of puncture into this membrane and create like a little pocket. As far as you can. We're going to break it in half. We're going to stick our chub of butter into each side, covering the entire breast. So we're going to go to the other side, open our little pocket, just spread it out. Same kind of thing. Spread out that butter. If you don't want to do this, if you want to make this a little bit healthier, you don't have to use the butter. You can just go in and stuff a lot of that herbs in there if you want to avoid this amount of fat, but it's turkey day. A little gluttony is okay. All right, so we have our beautifully amazing seasoned butter underneath our skin. That's gonna keep it nice and moist. Salt, season underneath, pepper. All right, that's a properly seasoned bird. We're gonna take our baking dish. There we go. We're gonna put our bird into our baking dish. It's nice and happy. And we're gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 on convection. We'll see you back in 45 minutes. All right, so our turkey has temped out to 165 degrees because it is white meat, but if you're using legs, it's gonna be 185 degrees. It's gonna be nice, juicy. Make sure we let this rest for half the amount of time that it's actually been in the oven. So it's been an hour, let it rest for 30 minutes. Put some tin foil or a lid on top, let it rest so it keeps all the juices and you're not cutting in and have a dry turkey. That's probably the reason. Love you guys, have a wonderful Thanksgiving.